Hello friends and welcome to Winners Edge Transcription set number 3. This one is about 17 consonants that are directly from the Roman alphabet, therefore easier to remember. 17 in total. We'll cover them one by one. So to begin with, the first set of 9. Pin slash p e n, pin. Then you've got bin slash b e n. Then you've got 10 slash and t e n. Then you've got den slash d e n. Then you've got kill slash k e l. Gill will be slash g e l. Then you have fat slash f a t, vat slash v a t, sip slash s e p. So you've got p, b, t, d, k, g. Up to here, as you can see, these are the plosives: p, b, t, d, and k, g. Then you have got f, v, s, and then when we go to the other side, you will find our friend z. So we'll take zip here, the z sound, the e sound, and the p sound. Then we've got moon, the m sound, the long u and n sound, noon, the n sound, long u, again n sound, wet, w, e, t, rat, r, e, t, limp, l, I, m, p, hat, h, e, t, and finally u, y, u. Now as you can see here, f, v, s, z, and the glottal h together, they make the fricative sounds. Then we have got m and n, the nasal sounds, and then we have got v, r, l, and y. I'll put a star mark upon y here because, as I told you, it looks like J and it is totally different in sound. The sound is of what looks like Y, so that's a little bit confusing. That's why I put it at the end and put a star mark over that. So now let's repeat it. We took the sign of p, b, t, d, k, and g. Then we went for f, v, s. Then we looked at z, m, n, v, r, l, h, and of course y. If you practice well and regularly, soon you will be doing even longer words. Now we are only left with 7 last set of consonants that are non-Roman alphabets. You want more practice with this whole thing? Go for our quiz. But then before you go for the quiz, try our tutorials and then worksheet in tandem. If you like what we are doing, then please do like at the bottom of this video. And then if you want to stay connected, of course, subscribe and you'll get all the information as and when we upload. So happy reading, happy studying, happy practicing. All the best.